One of the primary benefits of a tree data structure is that there are many efficient ways to search for a particular piece of data by traversing the tree. Big word alert. Traverse, to travel across or through. So to traverse a tree simply means to move around from block of data to block of data. Let's suppose we're instructing a computer to find out if this tree contains the letter C. It might start at the first memory location, the root of the tree. Check and nothing there. And then traverse the tree by following the pointers and visiting different memory locations until it locates what we're searching for. If we imagine a larger tree, we could imagine different approaches for traversing the tree. For example, we might instruct the computer to travel down a tree until it reaches the bottom of the tree, and then work its way sideways and back up until it finds what we're looking for. If it finds what we're looking for, then the search was successful. Otherwise, perhaps we'd say not found. The idea of storing data in a tree data structure and traversing that tree is step one of understanding HTML and CSS in a deep way. All right, now that we have this clear in mind, it's time to dive into our first major subject, HTML.